When every inch of steel counts, wasted remnants can pile up and eat into your margins. Our advanced nesting capability changes that. It automatically prioritizes remnants before new full-length stock, so you can reduce remnant storage and maximize material utilization. When combined with our other features, remnants are automatically loaded into the nesting task, ensuring they are used first. No manual sorting, no forgotten material, just smarter utilization. The result is a streamlined operation with less waste and more value from every stick of material.